Hello, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to get Snapchat photos and videos in gallery. So first thing to do is open the Snapchat app, and on the upper left corner of the screen, tap your profile photo. And on the right part of the screen, tap the settings. And scroll down and tap on My Memories. And tap Save button. Here, you can select whether you like to save snaps from memories or memories and camera roll or camera roll. Then, if you go back and you will try to snap on something, you can click Save. And that's it. It will be saved on the one that you checked a while ago. So I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly leave it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!